In the previous class, we learnt about powers, exponents and finding their values. Now, we are going to learn about laws of exponents. Laws of exponents, what are they? Here we are having few rules. Product rule, first one is product rule. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. While multiplying the numbers with power, we are using these rules, isn't it? So, but here when you are looking this, here the base is a, power is m, multiplied by, again base is a, but power is n. Here we are having two different values. The base is same, but the power is different. If the base is same, you can add the powers while multiplying. So, you can write it as a power m plus n. This rule is known as product rule. If the base is same, you can add the powers. Second rule, quotient rule. Here, we are having a power m divided by a power n. Even here the base is same, base is a. But here the power is m and here the power is n. If the base is same, while dividing you can subtract it. A power m minus n. Here it is a product, so we are adding. Here it is a division, so we are subtracting. This rule is known as quotient rule. Third one, power rule. A power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. The power n is for a power m. Then we can multiply m into n. If it is 2 square, the whole power 3 means you can multiply this 2 and write it as 2 power 6. 3 2s are 6. You can multiply the powers. This rule is known as power rule. Here, exponents with different base and same power. Here, in the laws of exponents, we learnt about the numbers, the exponents with same base. If a is here, then a is here also. Same base, if they have same base, we can use this rules, power rule, quotient rule, product rule, according to our convenience. But here, exponents with different base and same power. Base is different base இருக்கும்போது, power same இருக்கும்போது, we can use this rules. Okay, so a power m into b power m. Here the power is m on both the cases, but here the base is different. Here the base is a and here the base is b. So, you can multiply a into b the whole power m. A and b multiply பண்ணி power m போட்டுக்கலாம். Similarly, while dividing, a by b the whole power m. Here also it is a power m. The power is common for both the numerator and denominator. மேல உள்ள நம்பருக்கும் power m, கீழ உள்ள நம்பருக்கும் power m, as it is given whole. So, you can write it as a power m divided by b power m. These are the important rules we need to know. Simplify using product rule of exponents. We have to simplify. First one, 5 power 7 into 5 power 3. So, 5 power 7 into 5 power 3. When we are checking this, the base is same. Here 5 and here also 5. The base is same. So, we can add the powers. Which rule? The product rule. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So, 5 power 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. So, we can simplify like this. Similarly, here, second one, 3 cube into 3 square into 3 power 4. Here, the base is same, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so we can add the powers. 3 power 3 into 3 power 2, that is 3 plus 2. That is 3 power 5. Here it is 3 and here it is 2, so they are adding this 3 power 5 into 3 power 4, that is 3 power 5 plus 4, it is 9. We can write it directly also. 3 power, what is the first power? It is 3. Second power plus 2, third power plus 4. So 3 power 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So that is equal to 3 power 9. If the base is same, you can add any numbers, any times, any number of powers. Third subdivision, 25 into 32 into 625 into 64. So I write 25 as 5 into 5. 32 as 5. If you multiply 2 for 5 times, then you get 32. So 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. Okay. Similarly, 625, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. If you divide like this, then you will get the factors. Okay. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 5s are 25. So 4 times 5. That's what they have written here. Similarly, 64 in terms of 2. So I write 5 into 5 as 5 square. 2 into 2 into 2 as 2 power 5. Here it is 5 power 4 and here it is 2 power 6. Now I group the numbers with same base. Here 5 square, here 5 power 4. So I write it as 5 square into 5 power 4. Here 2 power 5 into 2 power 6. So I write it as 2 power 5 into 2 power 6. Same base numbers சேர்த்து எழுதுறோம். So 5 power 2 plus 4. Okay, the numbers, the base is same, 5. So we can add the powers. 5 power 2 plus 4 into, here the base is 2, base is same. So we can add the powers. So 2 power 5 plus 6. So 5 power 6 into 2 power 11. Next example, again simplify. First subdivision, 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 6. So the base is same, 10. So we can subtract because here it is division. So we can subtract. Product na add பண்ணனும். Division na subtract பண்ணனும். Okay. So 10 power 8 minus 6, that is 10 square. Second subdivision, 2 power 8 into 3 power 5 into 5 power 4 divided by 3 cube into 5 cube into 2 power 4. So I am grouping the numbers with same base. In the numerator I have 2 power 8. In the denominator I have 2 power 4. So அதை சேர்த்து எழுதிட்டேன். Similarly, I have 3 power 5 in the numerator and 3 cube in the denominator. So here I write 3 power 5 by 3 cube. Now 5 power 4 divided by 5 cube. So 5 power 4 by 5 cube. Now the base is same, so we can subtract the powers. 2 power 8 by 2 power 4, so I write it as 2 power 8 minus 4. 3 power 5 by 3 cube, so I write it as 3 power 5 minus 3. 5 power 4 by 5 cube, so I write it as 5 power 4 minus 3. Powers are subtract பண்ணியாச்சு. That is equal to 2 power 4, 2 power 8 minus 4 என்னமா 2 power 4. 3 power 5 minus 3 is equal to 3 square. 5 power 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 power 1. That's the answer. 6 power third subdivision, 6 power 4 by 6 power 0. Base is same, so we can subtract the powers. So 6 power 4 minus 0 is equal to 6 power 4. Here anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 6 power 4 divided by 1, you are getting the same number when we divide it by 1. So answer is 6 power 4. Here we have two methods to solve this. Next example, again simplification. First one, 8 cube power 4. Here we have to use power rule. 8 cube power 4. So 8 cube power 4. We can multiply the powers. Look at this. Here we are having the power rule. A power m the whole power n is equal to a power m plus n. As they are writing here, you also have to write the result. In the questions, they will not mention the rule as they are mentioning here. They will not mention power rule, product rule, quotient rule and all. You have to find according to the numbers, according to the base, you have to find which rule you can apply there. Okay, so you have to write the results here also. Since என்ன result அங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறன்றதை நீ சைடில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். Okay, so 8 cube power 4. So we can multiply the powers, that is 8 power 3 into 4, that is 8 power 12. Similarly, 11 power 5 power 2. Base is here 11, so we can multiply the powers, that is 5 into 2, that is 10. Power multiply பண்ணணும். Okay, 2 power 6 the whole square, 2 power 4 whole power 7, that is 2 power 6 into 2, 6 into 2 multiply பண்ணணும், into 2 power 4 into 7. 6 square is 12, 4 sevens are 28. So we can add the powers, that is 2 power 12 plus 28, that is 2 power 40. 12 and 28 add பண்ணா 40 கிடைக்கும். Simplify by using the laws of exponents. First one, 7 power 6 into 3 power 6. Here the base is different. Here the base is 7 and here it is 3, but the power is same, 6, ரெண்டுலேயும் 6. So we can multiply the base with the same power. So 7 into 3 power 6, that is 21 power 6. Here the exponents with different base but same power. Similarly, here 4 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 5 power 3, that is 4 cube into 2 cube into 5 cube. So the power is same, 3, but the base is different. So we can multiply the base. Base na kilo ulla number. So 4 into 2 into 5 whole power 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So 40 power 3. Same rule தான். But இங்கே 3 நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு அதை extend பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Okay. 72 power 5 divided by 9 power 5. So here also the power is same, 5. Base is different, 72 and 9. So we can use this rule. A power m divided by b power m means a by b the whole power m. So 72 divided by 9 the whole power 5. You can write it as 72 by 9 the whole power 5. 1 9 is 9, 8 9s are 72. So 8 powers are 8 power 5. Next fourth one, 6 power 13 into 48 power 13 divided by 12 power 13. So here we have to, here also the base is different but the power is same. So you can write it as 6 into 48 divided by 12 the whole cube. If you learnt BIDMAS rule, you can use it, or you can use this method, 6 into 48 division. So divided by 12 the whole power 13. 112 is 12. How many 12s are 48? 4 times, isn't it? 4 12s are 48. 6 into 4, that is 24. 24 the whole power 13. That's the answer. Okay children, here is an activity and you have to match the values of group 1 to the correct values of group 2. That's your activity.